Hi, Mr. Baisap here and welcome to another one of my videos. I am going to be showing you how to do an oil change on an Audi A6 2016 diesel. The first thing to do would be to jack the vehicle up and put an access stand for safety, then go underneath. Once underneath, you'll find a big cover you have to take off, which is attached with loads of little screws. Once the back cover is open, you'll be able to see the gearbox. That's when I realized the oil sump is not under that big cover. It's actually under the small cover, which is at the front. Once the covers are open, you should be able to see the oil sump. Torx 30, 10mm multi Torx and a Phillips screwdriver is needed to open the covers. You also need a 19mm socket to open the sump bolt in order to take the oil out. In order to take the oil filter off, you need a 32mm socket, extension and a ratchet. And once it's loose, you can open it by hand. The old filter and the seal should easily come off from the housing. Then you can just put the new filter in, and don't forget to put the new seal in as well. Once the engine oil is finished coming out, you can put the sump bolt back. Then you can pull all the covers back. Then you can put the engine oil in and it should be all done.
More videos coming soon. Like my heat kit, please subscribe and share.